Hello, this is Luke Steele with Mount Everest Academy, and we have decided to raise awareness for Lyme disease and raise funds for our friend Julia, who has been battling Lyme disease for the last 6 years. This cause is very important to me as I've been recently diagnosed with Lyme disease after being misdiagnosed for around a year. Julia's medical bills have totaled over $100,000, and she's still a long way from living a healthy and normal life. We started by making a website and sharing it with students and parents around our school through the weekly email messages. This included an interview with a Lyme specialist in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. We also created a GoFundMe campaign with the goal of raising $1,000. I know there are thousands of people living in San Diego dealing with the symptoms of Lyme and not getting the help they need from medical doctors. I'm hoping to spread the word about this disease, which affects close to 500,000 people annually. This has been Luke Steele from Mount Everest. Thank you for listening to us.